Alright, today I'm going to show you how to remove Nissan 240SX wear toe arm bushing. And this right here, I'm going to be I want to press them out, but today I'm going to be burning them. That's actually the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to show you how to take them out very easily. It's going to take a while, but it worth it. So I'm going to get started. Alright, look like we're doing a good job. Getting really hot. Really hot right there. Burning. There you go. Ooh. Alright. That's the way you want it. Gotta look something like that. Gotta get really hot. If you notice, I put two back here so that the wind doesn't blow the flames away. So, oh, look at that. Now that's cooking. No, that's really hot. It should come out very easily. Keep in mind that you want to do it on a very warm day, on a hot day. You don't want to do it when it's cold. It's going to take a little longer to get hot. Alright, the bushings are all burned up, and then the sleeve should come out very easily, like that. See? There you go. Simple as that. You don't need to press them out. Just gotta burn them. Once it's done, you can clean the inside. And if you like, you can also do whatever, like paint it, sand it down. Alright, the fire is out, and it should look something like this. Now what we gotta do is we're gonna cut the sleeve in there, this little ring that goes around. We're gonna use a reciprocating saw to cut them out. So didn't take long to burn these out. That's pretty quick. Now I'm gonna do the second one right here. Alright, back again. I'm going to be using the one of these right here. I think these ones get really hot though, hotter than these one right here. So I'm going to give it a shot and see how it goes. So yep. Alright, back again. As you can see, this one is flaming, really hot. I don't have the oxygen for it, but if I do, it's going to make it even hotter. So I'm going to put it down right here and let it get really hot. Oh, look at the flame on those. Well, I'm going to see how long this is going to take to burn. It shouldn't take that long. It's going to take a while, but not too long, hopefully. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to turn up the gas a little bit, and it's burning. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Alright, look at that. Now that's really hot. Alright, almost done. It didn't take that long to get these things out. Wow, look at that. Now that's burning. Oh my goodness. Yep. Really hard down there. Alright. Okay, that should be it. Almost done. It should come out like that. See? There you go. That's really hot. Alright, so there you go. You have it. Should look something like that. The bushing is all burned up. The next step is to cut the sleeve inside here. Let me show you how to do that now.